Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This bike only has 13,300 miles and is offered for $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. You'll see from the start, this is a completely custom Ninja 650. It's one of the nicest looking ones we've ever had in here. Starting at the back, it has an integrated tail light turn signal, also a fender eliminator kit, nice rear seat cowl, full Yoshimura exhaust. Also has these really cool rear sets, stainless steel for the passenger and the driver rear sets, nice frame sliders, a lot of little billet pieces. You see the little screws on there to kind of match the theme of the bike, all over the place. Nice adjustable blue levers and a blacked out windscreen. This is an awesome looking Ninja 650. Again, only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's been gone through by our service department, been given a clean bill of health and an oil change safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.